Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.7, Problem 5. This is Section 3.7, Problem 5. It says consider the numbers 58, 42, 18, 90, 64, 12, 36, 103, 9, and 18. Find the mean, find the median, find the mode. So what we have to do for the mean, we have to add those numbers together and divide by how many numbers we have. So let's find the total first. And it's easier to do that total, well, the easiest, of course, to use a calculator. But if your teacher won't let you use a calculator, adding in a vertical format is the way to do it. So let me write them down. 58, 42, 18, 90, 64, 12, 36, 103, 9, and 18 plus. So it's a pretty long list. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 and 8 is 18. 18 plus 0 is still 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. 22 plus 2 is 24. 24 plus 6 is 30. 30 plus 3 is 33. 33 plus 9 is 42. 42 plus 8 is 50. So put the 0 from the 50 under that column of digits. Take the 5 from the 50 to the top of the next column of digits and start adding. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 and 1 is 15. 15 plus 9 is 24. 24 plus 6 is 30. 30 plus 1 is 31. 31 plus 3 is 34. 34 plus 0 is still 34. And 34 plus 1 more is 35. So put the 5 from the 35 under that column of digits. There's only one digit that goes over one more column from the 103. Put the 3 from that 35 above that, and then add 3 plus 1 more. That's easy enough. That's 4. And I have a total of 450. That's the total of my list of numbers, 450. Now I need to divide that by how many numbers in the list. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I will have 450 divided by 10. Now this I can actually do easier in my head than even with a calculator. The 0 and the 10 is going to cancel the 0 and the 450. I can just see that it's 45. If you can't see that, what you want to do is set up a division where you'll divide the 10 on the outside of the division symbol, the 450 inside. 10 divides into 4. 4 is not big enough, it won't go. 10 divides into 45. 4 times 10 is 40. 45 minus 40 is 5. That next digit over the 0 comes straight down next to the 5. 5 with the 0 after is 50. 10 divides into 50 5 times evenly. 5 times 10 is 50. I get 50 minus 50 is 0. It divides in 45 times evenly, which is what I thought it would. So the mean, or average value, for this list of numbers is 45. Next, the median. Now, for the median, we have to put the list in order and find the middle number in that list. So this is a fairly big list of numbers, 10 numbers. So the smallest one, there's only one in the single digits, which is a 9. So let me write that first, 9. And then after I use it, I'll cross it off. Now in the teens, I have a couple 12. 12 is technically not a teen, but that's the next biggest number in the list. 18 occurs twice. I'll write down both 18s, cross those off. No other teens. Next in the 20s, I don't see anything in the 20s. In the 30s, I have 36. In the 40s, I have 42. In the 50s, 58. In the 60s, 64. Nothing in the 70s or in the 80s. The next biggest one is 90. And then finally 103. And let me circle that because it's getting close to some of my other computation. So, and let me verify that I have 10 numbers. I didn't miss any. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I do have them all. Now, if I had an odd amount of numbers, there would be one number right in the middle. That would be my median. Now I don't. I have 10 numbers. 10 is even. So the median splits the middle too. So I have 10. Let me count in 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the center of the list occurs between the 36 and the 42. Now, you might be able to look at that and see that it's 39. I can see it because 39 is 3 bigger than the 36, 3 less than the 42. I can see it. Now, let's say you can't see it. What you want to do is add the two numbers in the middle together, 36 plus 42. Get an answer, divide that by 2. So 36 plus 42, 6 and 2 is 8, nothing to carry over. 3 plus 4 is 7. So I have 78. I'm going to divide that by 2, split it in half. Again, I can see half of 78 is 39. If you can't see it, do it out the long way. It only takes a few seconds. 2 divides into 7. 3 times 2 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Bring down the next digit, which is an 8. 1 with an 8 next to it is 18. 2 divides into 18 9 times. 9 times 2 is 18. So it is the 39 that I predicted. I could kind of see it by looking at it. 39 was in the middle. If you can see that, that's awesome. If you can't, just do the work. It's not that much work. And it does come out to 39. 39 is the midpoint between 36 and 42. So that's the median. Now the mode is the most common data value in the list, and especially now that the list is in order, I can see the only repeated value is the 18, so that makes it the mode. So the mean is 45, the median is 39, and the mode is 18.